First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 5 on the topic races, now we are going to solve 4 to 5 questions based on the concept called a circular track. So friends, don't forget to learn all the previous lesson, right? Learn from lesson number 1, introduction, 2 contestant basic question, and then 3 contestant, and then same distance. So we have learned lot of things in the previous lesson. So try to learn all the previous lesson first and then watch this lesson number 5. So here the lesson number 5 questions will be based on a circular track. Usually in the previous lesson we have learned starting and ending point will be a straight line, 1000-meter race or 2000-meter race, etc. But here the question will be based on a circular track. For example, I will tell you one question. There are 3 contestants starting from a starting point and they are running in a different speeds. So the question will be like, at what point of time will all the 3 person will meet? Because it's a circular track, right? They will be running like lap 1, lap 2, lap 3. So the question will be asked like, at what point of time or else at what distance all the 3 person will meet each other? So those types of questions we are going to solve in this lesson number 5. But before solving a question, first you guys need to know the most of the circular track based question, 90% of the question should be solved only by the method called LCM, least common multiple. They directly take LCM for the given numbers and they will find the answer. So it's easy, right? Solving a question that is based on a circular track is easy, and 90% of the question will be solved only by using this LCM method. But before solving all those questions by LCM method, first you guys have to know why we are using this LCM method. What is the purpose of it to solve these types of questions? Just see, you know what is called as LCM? Least common multiple. And also you know how to find an LCM for a number. I've taught in a many different lessons. But the thing is, you guys should know what is called as a traditional method, how to find an LCM in a traditional method. Just see here, let me take any 3 numbers, right? I will take numbers for 6, 8, 12. So let me take 3 numbers. In case if they ask to find what is the LCM for these 3 numbers, 6, 8 and 12, how will you find it? In the schoolings what we learned is, we will draw a L method like this and we will take common 4. So this will be 2 times 3 times. So take 3. So 2 3s are 6, 2, 1. So again 2, 1, 1, 1. So finally we will say 3 into 2 will be 6, 6 into 4 will be 24. So LCM for these 3 numbers will be 24, right? It's a normal method, what we learned in the schoolings. But the traditional method is, they have given 3 numbers, right? 6, 8 and 12. So 6, 8 and 12. So the traditional method is, we will go for the multiples of 6. What are all the multiples of 6? 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 36, it goes on, right? 6 multiples. So similarly the multiples of 8, 1 8s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 40. Similarly the 8 multiples will go on, right? So next 12 2s are 24, 36, 48 and so on. So here, in order to find LCM for these 3 numbers, what is the meaning of LCM? Least common multiples. So these are the multiples of 6, these are the multiples of 8 and these are the multiples of 12. So multiples, common number, and that number should be the least value. Just see, what is the common least multiple? 12 here. So 6 multiple is 12, but 12 is not common for the remaining numbers. 18 is not common. 24, if I take the number 24, so 24 is the least number and this 24 is common for all the 3s. Just here, 24 here, 24 here, 24 here. Got it? So this is called as a least. So least number from the top, least number, and it is common for all the 3. So only we are saying that LCM for 6, 8 and 12 will be 24. It's called as a least common multiples. So 2 ways, we have not learned this method. Most of the students doesn't know this method. We have learned only this method in the schoolings, and I have taught you some shortcut in my YouTube channel, how to find the LCM. Similarly, by using this method, we will be solving all the question that is based on a circular track. I will show you one example question so that you can be able to understand it. Just see the example question, what they are saying. So there are three bells, right? So bell 1, bell 2 and bell 3, and every bell will be ringing at each and different seconds. So the first bell will ring at interval of 6 seconds. So similarly bell number 2 will ring at an interval of 8 seconds. So bell number 3 will ring at an interval of 12 seconds. Understood? So what they are asking is, at what point of time all the three bells will ring together. Understood what they are saying? There are three bells. So first bell will ring at a different time interval of 6 seconds. So first bell will ring at 6 seconds, and the bell number 1 after 6 seconds, at 12 seconds it will bell another time. So similarly at 18 second bell number 1, 24 second bell number 1. So similarly there are three bells, right? But what is our target? Our target to find at what point of time all the three bells will ring together. Just see, bell number 1, bell number 2, bell number 3, right? At what second all the three bell will ring together? At 24 seconds. Yes or no? At 24 second bell 1, bell 2, bell 3, three bells will ring together. So here, to solve this question, we can directly take LCM. So similarly, if the question that is based on a circular track, for example, there are three persons starting from the starting point and they are started running towards a circular track which is 1000 meters or 2000 meters, etc. Our target to find at what point of time all the three persons will meet each other. So we will take LCM for this number. If you take LCM for the numbers, given numbers, you will find when will all the three persons meet. Understood? So that is the reason we are taking LCM to solve the question, 90% of the question that is based on a circular track. Understood? So I hope you understood the logic. So solving a question in LCM is easy, but you guys should know why we are taking LCM there. So that's the reason I have taught it. So remember that in my YouTube channel itself, kindly search LCM shortcut method. I will taught you some shortcut method for the bigger numbers, right? And this method is not important. You don't want to learn this. It is more than enough to just understand what is called as LCM. I have taught you, right? So this method is completely waste. Don't learn this. Understood? This method is more than enough. So now let me move on to 4 to 5 question that is based on a circular track. Question number 1. So A, B and C start running around a circular track and complete one round in 18, 24 and 32 seconds. In how many seconds will they meet again at a starting point if they all started running at the same time? So friends, what they are saying is totally it is a circular track, right? See, circular track, and totally how many persons are there? There are three persons. And the first person completes a one round in how many seconds? 18 seconds. So similarly, the second person completes one round in how many seconds? 24 seconds. And the third person, he completes the round in 32 seconds. So our target to find at what second all the three persons will meet each other. Same logic, right? If the first person, right, this will be A, B and C. So first person completes the circular track in 18 seconds. So he will complete the next track in 36 seconds. Yes or no? 18, 18, 18 goes on. So second will be 36, third will be 54 and fourth will be, it's a multiples. So similarly, the second person B takes 24 seconds to complete the first round. And the second round he will take 48 seconds. Yes or no? First round 24 and another 24 will be 48 seconds. It's so on, it goes on. So similarly, person C will 32, 64, etc. So our target to find at what point of time all the three persons will meet each other. What I have taught you now, the same LCM method, right? So better we can take LCM for these three numbers. So go with 2, always start with a minimum of 2 number, 2, 3, etc. so that you will find the correct answer, right? So 9 2s are 18, 12 2s are 24, 16 2s are 32. Again go with 2 times 9, 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16. Go with 2. So 9, 3, 4. So I think we can go with 2 table again. So 9, 3, 2. So again 2, 9, 3, 1. So again go with 3. So 3, 1, 1. So go with 3, 1, 1, 1. So finally the LCM for these three numbers will be 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 power 5 into 3 square. So 3 square will be 9, 2 power 4 will be 288. So finally we can say that 288 seconds. So at 288 seconds where all the three persons will meet each other. Friends, understood? So this is the reason we are using LCM for these types of questions. I hope you understood now. So most of the question a circular track, right? Not only this question, most of the question, 90% of the question in the circular track will be solved only by LCM method. There are some tough level questions. We can all solve all those tough level questions in the next lesson. So this lesson we will be learning question that is based on solving by an LCM method. So finally answer for question number 1, where all the 3 persons will meet at each other at 288 seconds. So question number 2. So A, B and C start running around a circular track and complete a single round in 18 seconds. First person is completing a track in 18 seconds. Second person will be 22 seconds and the third person will be at 30 seconds. So our target to find in how much time will they meet again at the starting point. So what you guys have to do, you need to take an LCM. So because the first person is completing a circular track in 18 seconds. So next track he will complete in 36 seconds and 54 it goes on. So similarly the second person multiples, third person multiples. So our target to find all the 3 persons, that is least common number. So at what point of time all the 3 persons will meet again. So we has to take an LCM for all the 3 numbers. So always start with 2 initials. So 9 2s are 18, 11 2s are 22, 15. So I think we can go with 3 times here. So if I go with 3, so 3 3s are 9. So 11 times 5 3s are 15. I think 3, 5, 11 all are prime numbers, right? So better we can, or else we can take 3 outside and 11 outside, 5 outside. It's not needed. So better we can multiply all the numbers. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 5. So this will be 9. So 9 into 11 will be 99. So 99 into 2 into 5. So this will be 990. So 5 into 2 will be 10. So 10 into 99 will be 990 seconds. Because all the values are given in seconds. So V2 final answer will be in terms of seconds. So finally we can say that at 990 seconds all the 3 persons will meet again. In case if they ask the answer in terms of minutes, what you guys have to do, right? Seconds to minutes. How will you convert seconds to minutes? Just divide this by 60. If you divide the same number by 60, 990 divided by 60, I think we can cancel 0 and 0. So if I divide this, so this will be 1 times 16 times, so 0.6080. So this will be 16.50. Yes or no? So we will get an answer as 16.5. So we can say that 16 minutes 30 seconds. In case if they ask the value in terms of minutes, so you can say that 16 minutes 30 seconds. At the time of 16 minutes 30 seconds, all the 3 persons will meet each other, right? In case if they ask the answer in terms of seconds, stop here itself. In case if they ask the answer in terms of minutes, you know how to convert the value. Seconds to minutes, divide by 60. Just divide 990 by 60, you will get 16.5. So 16 will be 16 minutes, 0.5, so 0.5 will be half, 30 seconds. So we can say 16 minutes, 30 seconds, all the 3 persons will meet each other. So this will be the answer for question number 2. So last third question. So A, B and C start together from the same place to run around a circular path of a length 12 kilometers. So A runs at a rate of 4 km per hour, B runs at a rate of 3 km per hour and C runs at a rate of 3 by 2 km per hour. So they will meet together at a starting place at the end of. This year, in all the previous 2 questions what we have solved is, we know that A how much time he will take to complete 1 lap. Similarly B and C etc. But here we don't know at what point of time A will complete 1 lap. But what are all the values they have given? A circular track length is given, right? So the distance of the circular track is how much kilometer? 12 kilometer. And also we know that what is the running speed of A will be 4 km per hour. So similarly running speed of B will be 3 km, 3 by 2. So by using that, first we can find how much time the person A will take to complete make a 1 rotation, that is 1 lap, right? So time is equal to distance divided by speed. So time taken by A to complete 1 lap. So distance will be 12 km divided by speed will be 4 kilometers. So 3 hours. So finally we can say that the person A will take 3 hours to complete the 1 circular track lap. Okay. So B, time taken. So distance divided by speed. So distance, what about the distance is 12 kilometers divided by the speed. So B is running at a speed of 3 km per hour. So finally we can say that if you cancel the value 4 hour. So B will take 4 hour to make a complete one rotation, that is one circular track. So similarly C, time taken, distance by speed. So distance will be 12, speed will be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 will be, if you write 3 by 2, the 2 goes to the numerator, right? So 12 into 2 by 3. So 1 2s are 2, 4 3s are 12. So this will be 8 hours. So finally we can say that A completes the circular track in 3 hours. B took 4 hours to complete the circular track. Similarly, C took 8 hours to complete the circular track. So we know all those timings. So by knowing the timing, now you can take the LCM. So 3, 4, 8. So now take the LCM will be 2. So 3 times 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again go with 2. So 3, 1, 2. So it's like we can directly multiply it. So LCM is equal to 1, 2 and 3. So 2 power 3 into 3. So this will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 hours. So finally we can say that after 24 hours all the 3 persons will meet each other. Got the logic, friends? First you need to know what is the time taken by the person to complete a circle. Only then you can take an LCM. So without knowing the timing, you should not take an LCM for the speed. That is not possible. So first take the time taken by all the 3 persons to complete the circle, right? So first person takes 3 hours, second person takes 4 hours, third person will take 8 hours. By using the formula, we know the time is equal to distance by speed. Distance of the circular track is common for all the 3 persons, is 12 kilometers. And the speed varies. First person is 4, second person is 3, third person is 3 by 2. So by using the given numbers, initially we found the time taken by the person to complete a circular track. And then we took an LCM for all the 3 numbers and we found 24 hours. So 24 hours will be that at 24 hours where all the 3 persons will meet each other. Okay, all the 3 persons will meet each other. So friends, that's it. It's a very small lesson, but the concepts are most important. Why we are using a LCM here, that is important. So without knowing the logic, don't learn it. First understand why they are using LCM here, and then if you know that all those logic, then solving the toughest question will also be so easy. So that's it. I will give you one question as a homework question. So try to solve this homework question on your own and check whether you are getting the answers or not. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams or else campus interview exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.